Veo is a state-of-the-art video generation tool by Google. Let us test it. First, I upload an image to Gemini and ask it to generate a script which can be used with the Veo 3 model, using this image as a reference and to generate audio as well. Once the script is ready, we open Flow and create a new project. Now, I will upload the image and then copy the scene 1 generated by the Gemini straight into the Flow software and generate a video. Video is generated and it looks like this.
Every day, dedicated professionals at ONGC work tirelessly, extracting vital resources that fuel our nation's progress.
Looks great. Now, I will copy the scene 2 and generate a new video, which looks like this.
However, the very nature of these operations involves highly volatile materials. Even the smallest anomaly.
Narration was still ongoing, but we will proceed with the scene 3 as planned, which is also a copy, paste and generate. And the generated video looks like this.
Smallest anomaly can
Every day, dedicated professionals.
The camera view has changed. I will save the last frame, copy the fourth script, paste it and generate. Fourth scene looks like this.
What you just witnessed is a constant, though rare, threat in our industry.
Fire hazards are incredibly dangerous.
Two characters have been introduced. Now, I will store the last frame again, copy the last scene, paste it and generate. So, with the help of Veo, from one image, I can generate a video which is difficult to generate in real world scenario. Let us download the video and have a look at it.
Every day, dedicated professionals at ONGC work tirelessly, extracting vital resources that fuel our nation's progress.
However, the very nature of these operations involves highly volatile materials. Even the smallest anomaly can
What you just witnessed is a constant, though rare, threat in our industry.
Fire hazards are incredibly dangerous.
At ONGC, safety is paramount. Every precaution is taken, every procedure followed to ensure the well-being of our workforce.